Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel, only to hesitate due to a lack of editing and video production skills? I have seen a lot of channels which upload faceless videos, and one of them is this. It uses just stock footage and voiceover and generate millions of views. This channel uploads 3 to 4 videos a year, and still earns more than $6,000 each month. That is $5,000 more than my current earning. So why not we do the same thing and start our YouTube channel as well? In this video, I will show you how you can generate ideas and make videos without having any editing skills. To make our video, first we need to find our niche. While choosing the niche, we should always keep 2 things in mind. First, suitability. Since all of our work will be done by AI, we need to select the niche which is suitable for it, and AI is powerful enough to generate content on that niche. Second, profitability. We are doing this to earn profit, right? So, selecting a niche with 0 transactional value will be the waste of time and effort. To start the process, we will go to Google Bard and search for the niche with specific but large audience. I will give the command to list out few niches. The commands I use will be listed in the description for you guys to copy like you always do. I will go with fitness and health, but you can choose the niche you wish to work on. The niche I have selected is very vast, so I will ask Bard to give me few sub-niches. I will make the video on weight loss. Now I will ask Bard to give me 15 video titles on this topic that I have selected. "5 simple exercises to melt away body fat" seems to be the great title for YouTube video. The most important part is thanking Bard so that your future is a little safe when AI takes over the world. For the next step, that is to generate video from the title we have selected, we will go to Invideo.io. I already have an account, so I will log in, but you can sign up for free. Here, you can give the title and description according to your need. Or you can try the features given below. My video will be explainer video, so I will select YouTube Explainer. I will make a 5-minute long video. Next, I will put the topic of my video here. I will also add a description on how I want my video to be. Next, select the type of background music for your video. I will go with upbeat music. In settings, you can select the type of voiceover you want. I would like to use a male voice with clear American for this video. And last, you can choose what type of stock footage to use. Now we need to wait a minute for next step. Next, you can select the type of audience, how you need your video to be, and the platform you need to upload on. I will be making this video for YouTube. It will take a few minutes to create your video and will also add the voiceover. Here is our YouTube video. Playing the video here is a bit choppy, but the downloaded version will be smooth. If you want to change anything in this video, such as delete any scene or make a scene longer or shorter, you can just type here and AI will do it for you. You can also edit the scenes manually by clicking on Edit. Here you will see the scene and its corresponding script. If you want to change any scene, you can just search below. When you find the scene you like, just drag and drop it on the scene you want to change. The overlapping clip means that you have changed the footage of this scene. To confirm, just click on Apply and wait for AI to do its magic. You can also edit the script by going to Edit page and clicking Edit Script on top. Here you can see the script of each chapter and each footage, and can change it by clicking and typing the script you want. Once you're done, just click on Apply. Here you have it, a YouTube video ready to be uploaded. Now to export, just click on Export. Select desired quality. Then click Continue. You will need the paid version of Invideo IO to remove watermarks. It will take a few minutes depending on your internet. Here is a 30 seconds clip of what Invideo IO has made.
Want to know the 5 simple exercises to melt away belly fat at home? Welcome to the journey of fitness and health. These exercises, designed to be performed within the comfort of your own space, are not just effective, but also easy to follow. Remember, the key to weight loss is not just exercise, but a balanced diet as well. So, gear up to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Stay tuned to discover these simple yet effective exercises. The first exercise on the list is jumping jacks. This classic cardio move is a fun way to get your heart rate up and burn off those calories.
Isn't it great? Here you have it, guys. Super easy to make YouTube videos in just a single click without any video making or editing skills. Please write in comment section if this video motivated you to start your YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video and help others to start their own YouTube channel. See you in the next video.